Play that funky music right.
RUUD commercial unit. I think Joe Shayer does either Ream or RUUD. Maybe he could chime in. This thing looks really good. It's the first one I've got. It's got hinged panels. Of course, it's got the micro channel. That's just the way it's going these days. It's got two condenser fan motors, but only one compressor, and it's two-stage cooling. We'll have to get the paperwork out and take a look at that. Team NorCal, let's do it. Yeah, unit. Old carrier. We're gonna replace it with the RUUD. Here comes Kransky. Nice and early. Oh, look at that, huh? I'll try and get the sunrise for you guys when it pops up over the hill here. We'll install. Look, when they installed it, there was a Coke and a Pepsi left in there. I'm gonna leave them in there too. There it is. Supply trunk, return trunk. I don't see a fire smoke, but I got one for the new unit. That's code. It's two-stage cooling with one compressor. I'll have to get the book, like I said earlier, and dig into that. Here's one for Ted's new installation video for his workers. First thing, make sure the gas valve's turned on. Breaker 19. Yeah, get that dude turned on. And then let's see if this gas valve. Yeah, this gas valve's two-stage also. I got my high adjustment right here, which we'll have to check. And let's see where low fire adjustment's at. Panels on the RUUD commercial units. Bam. Look at that. Folds right down. You're adjusting your belt. Checking your set screws on your pulley. Evaporators, I was also checking the evaporator is also micro channel. So you micro channel condenser and evaporator. And one thing when you guys are hooking up units, you new guys, check your incoming voltage. If you're 208 or 230, change your tap. Make sure the power's off and you change your tap at your transformer. And that's gonna make your low voltage correct. You got a 230 tap and a 208 tap. And we'll do that here in just a sec. All right, you want to check your incoming voltage on your unit. You can see I'm at 211 volts. I need to move my tap on my transformer from 230 to 208. Real simple. Compressor, I'm in first stage, super quiet. I check my rotation because I'm three-phase. Rotation's good. Nine amps in low stage. You get both condenser fan motors going. Not bad. You get a code C up here for compressors on, low stage. So I got my jumper in there. All right. Being so damn quiet. Two-stage, 7.5 ton. Amazing. Our chimney on. Fire smoke detector. P-trap. Our drain, it's all blocked going out. It's 75 in the store, so it's calling for cooling right now. It's still hot out here in California. I'm up in NorCal, still hot. Where are we at? November 16. There it goes. Second stage just kicked in. Nice little chunk of heat coming off of there. Not bad. It's my first RUUD commercial package unit install. I like these little buggers. Not bad, not bad.